in Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Hi guys! Insert ko lang tong short clip dito sa mga upcoming vlogs ko kasi meron ulit po akong promo sa Curry Shop. Pasensya nyo, nandito tayo sa my door. Meron ulit tayong promo sa Curry Shop. So, ililink ko yung link down the description box para ma-check nyo pa rin yung ating pa-promo. Unahin ko muna yung sa Philippines. Yung mga customers sa Philippines, kung ano man yung bibili nyong products na naka-promo sa Curry Shop ko, magkakaroon po kayo na freebie na A.Stop Foam Cleanser Face and Body na worth 730 pesos plus free shipping. So, free shipping po tayo sa Philippines. Sa global naman, kung ano man yung bibili nyong naka-promo sa Curry Shop ko, magkakaroon po kayo na freebie na worth $21 US. So, ilalagay ko na lang sa link, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box kung ano yung mga makukuha yung freebie na worth $21. So, yun guys, insert ko lang. So, maglala siya sa December 16. So, thank you. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa Curry Shop ko, mag-subscribe kayo guys para sa mga upcoming promo, mauuna kayo. Kasi makaka-receive kayong email pag may promo ako guys. So, kasi yung iba, nauna na silang bumili kahit hindi ko pa ina-announce dito. Kasi tulad ngayon, kanina nag-start yung promo natin mga hapon. May mga bumili na ngayon, anong oras na? 11:27 kasi nasa biyahe kami guys. So, yun lang. So, thank you. Insert ko lang to ha. Pamambubudol lang ako sa inyo. Good morning guys! Today is December 3rd and si Johnny Boy, ayan, naglilinis siya dito sa pagola. Tinanggal niya na yung ibang upuan nandun na. Ayan, yung ganap niya today. Hi! Hindi siya nag-work kasi yung weather is not good. Tinanggal niya muna yung mga ayan, ang dumi doon, oh, ang alikabok. And yan, ang laman yan ay toys na laging binabalik-balikan ni Sak tsaka ni Kuya. Pati na rin si Holly. May mga nilabas na naman silang toy. Hi! Hi, Baba. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Are you helping Daddy?
No.
Why?
Ah,
yeah. Puhugasan ko yan kay Jan, yung aking exercise ball. Half ball. Ay, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Kasi ang alikabok, oh.
Oh, yes, look.
What's that?
That was my goal for you.
Yes. And ang ating high chair para sa mga kids from Adelaide. And ito.
Is that broken?
Oh no, it's not broken. This is that's electric, huh?
Do it now because it's I'm gonna squirt all that.
All right. Okay. Hugasan niya. Yung isa kasi ano yun, electric yun. Ito yung cord niya. That one. Yeah, that one can be in the bin. I thought you're not helping Daddy.
That's it. Put this outside.
So you are helping Daddy then. Wala siyang pasok eh. It's Friday today, guys.
Why is the bin inside here? Why is the bin inside here?
Well, that is has to put those other stuff that doesn't belong here anymore.
There is no way the mic comes out.
Be careful, hand, don't drag this table. This is fast forward.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We
Ina-update ko lang kayo dito, guys. Ayan na yung mga nilalabas ni John sa pagkola.
I want to use that for the sandpit.
Huh.
When we go to the big, I'm using that for it.
You got a new one, Baba.
Wait, where? Oh,
I put it somewhere.
Oh, it's in my baby's
Yeah.
room behind my, little
Clothes,
mattresses.
yeah. Ito pala yung parsley na tumutubo dito, guys, na hindi ko tinanim. Dito ako nagtanim, namatay sila. Yung mga herbs na tinanim ko dyan. Pero dito may parsley, oh.
Mom, you stepped on the bug.
Where? Ah, yeah! And meron pa ako ditong parsley. Kung saan-saan sila tumubo, oh. Ayan. Dito ko kinukuha yung mga pang-garnish ko sa pagkain namin.
Stepping on that.
Oh, strong ni Johnny Boy, oh. Ano yung tripod ko.
I'm stepping on them.
You need help with that? No.
That's that black thing that's getting washed.
What black thing na? What black? This one, it's alright. This one can wash on. Gagamit siya dyan ng blower, ha? Yeah.
But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Kanina umalis pala yan si Jan kasi kinuha niya yung water pressure na ginagamit niya sa boat kasi mas powerful. Kanina yung yellow yung ginagamit niya. And, di ba nakita niyo naman kanina nung in-spray ni Jan yung floor, natatanggal yung parang molds, yung green. Hindi mo kailangan kuskusin. Yan lang, oh. Tanggal ang dumi. Pati mga dikit. Very good talaga si Johnny Boy. Oh, malinis na yung floor. Ang linis na. Tapos na si Jan maglinis dito sa floor. Andun naman siya sa labas. Yun naman yung mga hinugasan niya. Oh. Andun na si Holly sa kanya. Tapos lang ni Jan maligo, ay nag-shave na siya kasi magugulp sila ng mga bata. Inintay niya lang yung mga bata. Yung ginagawa niya doon sa labas, hindi niya tinapos. Bukas na lang daw niya tatapusin. Yun na lang naman na mga upuan sa labas. Dito sa loob, okay na siya. Andito na pala yung mga bata, guys. Nag-quick change lang sila ng top. Dahil, di ba, sabi ko sa inyo, magugulp sila. And kumuha na siya ng chocolate. Yan na lang yung chocolate natin, guys. Oh. See you. Good luck.
Thanks.
Love you.
Love you.
Si Kuya, naghanap pa siya t-shirt niya dun. And si Kuya din kumuha na ng chocolate. See you, good luck. Bye, love you. Miss na sila. Hi guys! Hapon na naman. Nag-edit lang ako na nag-edit. Kasi kagabi, isa lang yung na-edit ko yung ano, yung intro for Christmas vlog. Yun lang yung in-edit ko din.
Good morning, guys.
Ano good morning? Good afternoon.
Oh,
Time
good
check.
afternoon.
Yeah, 4:39. Nag-golf na nga si Kuya, diba? So, yung na-edit ko kagabi, yung ano lang talaga, yung intro for Vlogmas. Tapos natulog na ako kasi gusto ko matulog ng maaga. Pero hindi pa rin maaga yung tulog ko kagabi kasi mga 1 o'clock na yun. Kasi tinapos ko talaga yung yung intro para sa Vlogmas. Tapos kayong, nung naglilinis si Jan, nag-edit akong 2 vlogs. Wow, 2. Pero hindi ko pa tapos yung isa. Yung isa, uploading siya. Tapos yung isa, ano pa lang, hindi pa siya kalahati. So, yun yung ginagawa ko din. Ayan, naligo na tayo. Kasi, magluluto na akong dinner. And may package akong dumating. Mamaya, i-haul ko yun sa inyo. So, asikasuhin ko lang yung aking lulutuin. Ang lulutuin ko lang naman ngayon ay sausages. Ayan, magluluto tayong sausages. Tapos, mashed potato. I got potatoes here. Ayan. Eh, naka-white ulit ako, guys. Parang nakikita nyo sa vlog lagi ako naka-white. Yes, because I like white. Ito yung i-haul ko sa inyo mamaya. Mamaya na. Magluto muna ako. Dawa, the black one. Come on, dawa. Baka maano natin yung... Okay, just sit down. Gusto niya kong tumag. So, eto, in-order ko to sa Shein ng mga to.
I'm open that.
I think so. Kasi may mga gusto akong itry na mga damit para kay Holly ba? I'll do it, Baba. I'll do it, Baba.
I can open that easy. I can.
No, I'll do it. Because if it's not fit to you, I can return it. Kasi free shipping daw dun eh. Free return. Free return.
Free return. What? You know return me.
No, if it's not fit to you. Ipakita ko lang ngayon. Tapos
If
next
it's-
time,
If it's.
ipa-try on.
Oh,
Ay, maliit. Ay, can you get up, Baba? Stand up here. Just size ano to eh, nakalagay doon 5 to 6 eh. Parang oh, don't move. Can you please hold it, please? Ang cute kasi summer na ngayon. Ang cute.
That looks like undies.
Pero parang maliit. Kailangan ko siguro
They can
na.
see my belly. That would be nice.
Ayan, oh. Maliit. Siguro mag-ano tayo. Isauli ko siguro to. Be careful. No, this is yours.
What a figure.
Huh?
A big.
This is yours. This is pants. Come on. Yes. Yes. I think this one is alright. Yes. Ayan siya, guys.
It looks like that one looks like undies again.
No, it's not. You just be careful, okay? Just be careful.
Yeah.
Just wait,
Ooh,
okay?
that's funny. That looks like a picnic rug.
Lahat mayroon siyang ano.
That does look like a picnic rug.
Picnic rug. Like a picnic rug?
Yeah.
Grabe naman
And
siya.
then something is like red and white. Then
Para tong si Jan. Yung ganito ko rin na damit, tablecloth.
dress.
Oh, this is nice. Get up, please. Just be careful. Ay, can you hold it, Baba? Oh, and this is nice. Yung iba, malilit yung size. Ito, okay lang naman. Kasi 5 to 6 ang kinuha ko. Ayan na siya. Ayan siya, guys.
Do not hold me. I can get down by myself.
No.
Stop.
Ah.
See what?
No. I have to hold you, Baba. And then, maganda rin yung tela nito. Yung unang pinakita ko sa inyo manipis.
Ooh, this is looking
Gusto kong dahan-dahanin yung plastic kasi sasauli namin yung mga hindi na alam kong hindi kakasya sa kanya. Ito, maganda yung tela niya. Hindi siya yung parang cheap na tela.
That's looking fancy. Wow.
Mga terno-terno ka man.
Ah.
Careful. Okay, hold this. Ayan o, summer clothes. Pero parang maliit, Baba. Wait, can you hold your top? The top one. Top one. Okay. Parang hindi ko to gusto. And maliit din siya. Oh! Careful.
Wow!
Pero manipis.
So guapo.
Sobrang nipis nito.
It looks so pretty guapo.
Ano, guwapo is for boys or men.
Oh, girls.
Girls is maganda.
Okay.
Ayan siya, oh. Magandang kulay niya, kaso manipis.
Ma'am,
So, ipatry ko
guess
to
what?
sa kanya.
Kuya Zach, Kuya TJ, you're so guapo at playing.
So, guwapo. Guwapo means handsome.
Handsome.
Lang, 7 minutes na to. Isa na natin. Okay, pakita na lang muna natin. You don't have to stand up, Baba.
Why?
Because we have to hurry up. Because or else, the vlog will be... Ay, eto cute to. Can you do this like this? Show it to them. Ayan. Sana magkasya kay Holly. Stay na.
Wait, this is for winter.
Yeah, no, manipis lang naman siya. It's alright for spring. Hindi na spring. Pero minsan kasi dito sa lugar namin malamig. Ayan, ang cute niya, oh. Para ka mag-o-office. Ah! Maganda. Sana maganda to. Yan to. Para siyang ano, nung nakita ko siya sa website, para siyang Chanel inspired na damit.
Ooh,
Turtleneck.
That looks like a mask.
No, this is a bag.
What?
Meron siyang bag. So, ang cute nito.
Ooh, that looks like for winter.
So,
It says
yes. Can you
Mermaid.
stand up? Please. And hold this. So, ganyan siya.
Oh,
Wait. In order ko to, kasi para malaman ko kung anong size niya, para sa next winter, alam ko. Pero manipis man lang, kailangan niya pa rin ng, ano dito, blazer. Wait, Baba, wait. Okay. It's alright. Just hold the skirt. Para may idea sila kung anong, ganyan siya, guys. Oh. Look at them, Baba. Ganyan. So, parang gusto ko to. I like this.
she has a gray one of those.
You think so?
Yeah.
Para daw ito katulad kay Tita Ray's. Ay, ang cute! Skirt siya naman, ganyan. So,
Dress.
ipapatry on natin to kay Holly.
It looks like it
Ang
feels like a swimsuit.
Ayan.
Feels
And-
good.
Ang dami.
Wow, there's a lot in here.
Yes. Kasi nga, gusto ko makita kung okay yung mga... Ay, ang cute!
Why are they all like that?
What? And mayroon siyang skirt.
Let's see.
Oh,
They
diba?
look so cute.
And my skirt. Ang cute.
It feels like
Sana
a
kasya
swimsuit.
sa'yo, Baba. I think so. It will fit. It's alright.
No, look, you can do
Yeah,
this.
you will try this on one day. T-shirt siya, guys, na... Oh. Ganito. Ganyan kaliit. Tapos mayroon siyang skirt.
Oh, it
ang
looks like a
cute.
zombie. It looks like a zombie with
Zombie daw. Tapos may print siyang love.
Hello.
May print siyang love.
It looks like
Ang
it.
cute.
Wait, does that say my
Pag-
Oh.
Alang haba nito. 14 minutes na.
Oh.
Ay, ang cute.
That looks so.
Tingnan niyo siya, guys. Ang cute nito. Tapos,
Oh, that feels so nice.
I know. Tapos, mayroon siyang ganito na parang leather.
I am wearing that when it's summer. Wait,
Yeah,
when we go exercise.
Exercise.
When we walk and I ride.
Yung bra, akala yung sports
Is
bra.
that a bra or not?
No, it's stylish clothes, this one, Baba. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Ganyan
That
siya,
looks
oh,
like
sa
a
picture.
mask.
Maganda siya sa picture kaya kinuha ko. Ang cute. Sana magkasya kayo, Holly. Wait, Baba. Tapos yung tela niya, malamig.
What?
Yung iba, magaganda yung tela. Yung iba,
That's a
parang
bit
cheap.
big.
No, it's not. Next.
Ooh. That looks so nice.
Ito iba naman yung
But that
kanyang
was the
lalagyan.
easy one.
I know. Eto, para siyang pang...
Do not tell me that is nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Parang
I
summer.
like
Pang
it.
summer lang. Ayan, parang
I
pajama
will
lang.
be back in a minute.
Alright. Namatay. Namatay siya kasi ano na, 14 minutes. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Yung short. Tapos, mayroon siyang... Ito yung top.
But that looks like a bra.
Yeah.
Tapos, is that a bra?
Yeah. And mayroon siyang headband. Pang summer nga to eh. Yung iba pang summer, yung iba may pang winter. Yeah, why? Ay, alright.
Yeah, that's something so far. Mom, look here, look here, look there. That looks so good.
Ito naman is, cute nito oh. Ayan siya guys. Long sleeve na mayroong botones, tapos may skirt. Sana magkasya talaga ito kay Holly. Next is, this is for walking baba. Ito parang pang, pag sumasama
Oh
sa
yeah,
action.
I have one of
Yeah,
those.
ito yung short, parang biker short. Tapos meron siyang I like na t-shirt.
Mom, you shouldn't tell me that.
Ito is another skirt.
And oh,
Oh, may bow. Ah, yeah. Ayan. Ganyan. Basta makikita nyo na lang ito, guys. Kasi papatry on ko to kay Holly.
I can do this. This is easy. Oh, another rainbow.
Oh, what?
Oh yeah.
So, ayan. Maganda rin tong isa. Skirt. Tapos, meron siyang pang... Saan ka siya yung ano? Maliit. Pang summer. Patingin nga, Baba. It's not. Oh my God. So revealing. For summer. Careful. Ayan, ang cute.
Look at it, I can't see my belly button.
Oh, ayaw yung nakikita yung kanyang...
Just doing that so it looks more perfect.
No, it's alright like this. Ayaw yung nakikita yung pusod niya. Para tong si Sam, conservative. Pero tingnan mo naman.
Kadalado.
Come on, ang ganda niya. Do you like it?
Yeah, but do not let little people see my belly button.
Ayaw yung ipakita yung kanyang pusod. But let me just wait. Just like this. Ah.
There,
Okay.
now they can't see.
Okay, show it. Look. Okay, ito naman siya ay skirt na merong t-shirt na may print. Okay. Maganda yung tela ng ano, ng t-shirt na to. Oh, nice. Palda. Skirt ulit.
Wait, do we
Tapos-
have red tea?
No, we have yellow too. This is orange. And
Wow. That's orange?
yeah, can you stand up, Mama?
That's red.
No, it's orange. Okay.
It looks like...
Okay.
I don't like those buddy dolls. They
Ayan,
match like...
skirt siya.
You know those bows look
Yeah.
like those, but
So, ang cute din
But-
ito.
and...
Oh! Nice.
But that's big.
Yun. Ano kasi siya, yung parang, para siyang
Mom,
dress
that's
na
a
long
figure.
sleeve. Tapos,
That's a
papatungan mo
figure,
siya ng, eto. Ang cute nito. Ha?
Ooh. Hey.
Oh! Eto naman, denim short na may,
Is that panties?
no, this is not panty. Yung parang pag ganun, yung may style yung kan.
That looks like panties.
Looks like what?
Panties.
Panties? No. This is like this, Baba. Oh. Side. Make pa side lang yung sleeve.
It looks like panties though.
No.
Oh, wait, it has nice bows.
So, eto, para siyang Chanel. Inspired yung kanyang style.
Mom, you know the blue one like those?
Yeah.
It's like a different one.
Yeah.
But it's still
Ayan,
the
oh,
same.
cute. Pink. Ay,
Yeah.
gusto ko
It
to.
looks so... Wait, those shoes, Mom.
Saan magkasya kay Holly? Oh, nice.
It's a dress.
It's a dress. Purple dress.
Okay, that's So pretty.
Patayin ko lang muna tong patatas.
Is that on?
Oh, this is for exercise.
Again, that's the same.
No, it's different. Ayan, ang cute naman nito, oh. Biker short.
Yeah,
Tapos
that-
may
Whoa,
ano siya,
what?
crop top.
Very, very, very pretty.
Very, very, very pretty. Meron siyang, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ayan, short naman to na may, ayan, may pop-up yung sleeves. Tapos meron siyang belt. Belt ata to. Or headband.
Is that a belt?
Not sure. Mahaba siya, guys, na hindi ko rin alam kung ano to. Pero, tingnan ko na lang sa picture dun sa ano, Shein. That one, we will return that one.
Why?
Because it look like,
Pangit.
ha?
Pangit.
Pangit?
Yeah.
Hindi, ano siya, ayan, white. Parang ang nipis. Parang ang nipis.
I
Kita-kita
love
ang...
it.
Okay, stand up. Okay, hold that one. And maybe you can wear something. And like that. Ah, alright, it's nice. Yeah, I like it.
It looks like a dress one. Like, it looks like a dress like this.
Yeah.
It's got-
That's for summer, Baba. That's your clothes for summer.
Oh, this looks
Ah.
very nice. But it's
Eto.
big.
Ano siya? Pang winter. So, nag-order na akong pang winter dahil gusto kong ipatry kay Holly para sa winter, alam ko na kung anong size ang kukunin ko. So, ang cute nito, guys. Ayan, dress siya. Pwede siyang ganito. Pwede nga rin ito pang ano eh, parang summer dress. Tapos, pag malamig na, tadan! Ay, ang cute! Sana magkasya kay Holly. I like this. And maganda rin yung ano niya, material.
Wow!
This is nice. Can you stand up? I want you to try this with me. Please. Oh my God, you look so
Fashion girl.
fashion girl. Let me see. Show it to them.
Wait, it was a bit big before one now.
No, it's not. It's nice. Tama
It's
na.
uncomfortable.
Show it to them, Mama. So, ayan, ang cute. I like it. You like it?
Yeah, I love it. Because you know why I love it? It's so fluffy.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice yung ano niya. Nice yung tela. Hindi siya yung makati. And I like it. Tapos pag nainitan siya, pwede niyang
Don't
hugarin.
take this one off.
Yes.
It feels nice.
I know. Another one. And eto, binuksan rin ni Holly. Meron ulit siyang t-shirt na mayroong mahabang yung love na belt. Tapos
What?
meron siyang denim na pants. So, terno din siya. Mini influencer. Ang cute.
Do not
Ayan,
look at
nakalagay.
it.
Mini influencer. Tapos denim na pants na may butas-butas. So, what's that? Ah, unicorn.
Let me open it because it's mine.
Okay. This is for your bag. You put it in your
What?
bag.
Wait, I'm putting it on
Palagay
the
sa bag.
Adelaide bag.
Yeah. So, eto, pang winter ulit. Skirt na mayroon pa, ano dyan, pocket and turtleneck na, ayan. Sana kasya to.
What?
Namamatay siya guys. Hala, ang haba na nito. Namamatay
That's
siya.
what I got. I
Oh, akala ko pang kids. Kasi kung maalala niyo, si Holly, nung nagpunta kami ng Oroton, tsaka coat, si Holly, maraming gustong bag doon. Akala ko pang bata. To hindi naman.
Come on, try
pala.
that on you. Try that on you.
No. Eh, meron siyang maliit na ano, oh.
Try that on you. It can fit you.
Yeah, but I don't like it. I bought it for you, not for me. Because you like bags.
But you can just try it.
No. I can return this.
Yeah.
Ibabalik natin ito. Ibabalik natin itong bag kasi malaki siya para kay Holly. And pants and ayan. Ito yung top niya. Para siyang sando na may pa. Ganyan yung style. Makikita nyo ito. Ipapatry on na. Ito yung white na short. Short pala siya. Tapos, merong top na ganito. So, makikita nyo na lang. No more. That's it. So, yun na guys. Yung ating haul na mga damit.
Oh, life is very heavy again. Let's go. Bye.
Wala, yes. We're still cooking.
Oh.
Tingnan nyo na yung kalat ko dito. Ayan. Ibalik ko to sa bag.
This looks very pretty.
So, ayan yung mga damit, guys. Ibabalik ko siya sa ano. Ah, the pink one. Yan yung hinahanap niya. Ah, okay. Ayan pa pala, guys. So, ito yung hinahanap niya kanina. Ang cute din ito. So, basta, pa-try on natin to kay Holly one day. Yes. So, ilagay ko lang ulit siya sa dyan sa bag. Namash ko na pala yung ating potatoes. And ayan na yung sausages. And meron pa dun. Dito na yung mga bata. And si Kuya.
I lost.
You lost? No, you
Is
didn't.
this mine?
You
What
won
is this mine?
$7.
And to go golf.
Nanalo si Kuya yung award sa kanya. Award. Yung napanalunan niya is $7 tapos dalawang golf balls. And si Sak? How about you, Sak?
I lost.
You lost. Better luck next time. Alright, pakainin ko na sila, guys. Ito yung kay Holly Girl mashed potato like daddy.
Thank you.
Welcome. So, kain muna sila, guys.
Time. I do not tell.
What day now? What's the date? 3. Okay.
Found it.
Ayan. Kunin na nila yung kanilang.
I think I got the gingerbread again.
Oh my god.
You think so?
I had oh!
What you got, yeah?
I got Santa's head.
Santa said, how about you, Sak?
Orange.
Yeah, what's the shape? Nothing.
Oval.
Oval. Kuya, let me see ya.
Wait.
Wait, what?
That one.
Wait, stay there, yeah, so I can... You have to do this.
Oh.
Yeah, like that. Ah, Santa face.
Oh.
Yeah. How about you, Papa?
What I think again.
Alright. Mahirap lang tong chocolate na to, okay? Iniwan ka na ng boys. Siya yung nagyaya sa boys. Siya yung nahuli. Ako na, Baba? No, you have to do this at the back. Okay, wait lang, guys. What is it? What's that?
Holy!
Cane.
Candy cane.
Yeah, candy cane. Alright.
I thought I was gonna get a gingerbread, but I didn't.
Guys, i-close ko na yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Still I wish you the merry